Hello everyone! If this is your first time here, a warm welcome. I hope you'll stay a while. And if you're returning, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful two-color pattern. It's so easy to make, and I really like how the less dominant color weaves through the shells to create a lattice effect. I'm currently turning mine into a summer top, but the possibilities are endless. Grab your yarn and let your creativity run wild. The pattern requires a chain size that is a multiple of 8 plus 2. For this sample, I've made 34 chains. 32 is my multiple of 8 plus the 2 extra. If you're making a larger project, just choose any multiple of 8, like 40 or 72, and add 2 chains at the very end. Let's begin row 1. Work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, work a group of 3 double crochets, separating each one with a chain 1. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and one more double crochet, all in that same stitch. For the purpose of this video and easy identification, we will call this a shell. Chain 1, skip 3 chains and single crochet into the next. Just continue that pattern all the way across. Chain 1, skip 3, work a shell, chain 1, skip 3 chains and work a single crochet. Finish your row 1 with a single crochet in the very last chain. For row 2, we're introducing the second color. You can attach your new yarn using any method you prefer, but my favorite trick is to pull the new color through the last 2 loops of the final stitch in the previous row. Once it's attached, chain 1 and turn your work. Right into that first stitch, work a single crochet. Now for the pattern, chain 7, skip the entire shell below and work a single crochet into the next single crochet. Just repeat that all the way across. Chain 7, skip the shell and single crochet into the single crochet below. For row 3, we switch back to our first color. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, pull up a loop of your first color and chain 5. Work another double crochet into that same stitch. Chain 1, In the second double crochet of the shell below, work a single crochet, catching the green chain 7 under your hook as you do. From here, the repeat is easy. Chain 1, work a full shell into the next single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet into the center of the next shell, catching the chain 7. Repeat that sequence all the way across. When you reach the very last single crochet, we'll work a half shell to balance the edge. Work a double crochet, chain 1 and start your second double crochet. Before you finish it, drop the working yarn, grab your second color and pull it through the final 2 loops to finish the stitch. Chain 1, turn, work a single crochet in the stitch below, chain 3, and work a single crochet into the single crochet below. Now we enter our main repeat, chain 7, skip the shell and single crochet into the next single crochet. Continue this chain 7 repeat across your row. To finish row 4, we'll mimic the beginning, chain 3, skip the double crochet and the chain 1 space below, and work your final single crochet into the next chain. That completes row 4. For row 5, pick up your first color, chain 1, work a single crochet into the first stitch below, chain 1, skip the chain 3 space and work a shell into the next single crochet. Chain 1. In the center double crochet of the shell below, work a single crochet, remembering to lock that green chain 7 in place. Chain 1 and work a shell into the next single crochet. Continue this pattern all the way across. When you reach the very last stitch, we'll change colors. Chain 1, insert your hook into that last single crochet and pull up a loop. Grab your second color and finish the single crochet by drawing the new color through all loops. From here, you will simply repeat these rows to reach your desired length. To keep going, work your next row in the second color. Chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet into the very first stitch below. Chain 7, skip the shell and work a single crochet into the next single crochet. Just continue this pattern across, repeating this sequence. Let's work one more row together just to make sure you've got it down. Bring your first color up to the level of your work. Chain 5. And work a double crochet into that very same first stitch. Chain 1 and work a single crochet into the center double crochet of the shell below, making sure to lock that chain 7 loop in place. Chain 1, work a full shell into the next single crochet. And just continue this pattern all the way to the end of the row. A quick tip about choosing your yarn for this project. I highly recommend using two colors with a lot of contrast. Because of the way the chains get trapped, the higher the contrast, the more that beautiful lattice effect will pop. It's also a great stash buster if you have leftover skeins from other projects, and you can even alternate colors for the chain 7 rows. As you can see, this pattern is so easy and fun to make. I really hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments how your project turns out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, go check out my channel for more crochet ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!